What are you doing, Bernsey? All right, exhaust donut.
Going in.
Sticking it in.
Stick it in, Daniel.
Stick it in, big boy.
Oh, shit. Ow.
I'm too old for this shit.
Fuck you.
Oh, the back of your head. Nobody wants to see that.
No.
Is it hot?
No. Just trying to fit in here.
Do you need to come down more? Are you monkey fucking a football?
Oh, it's because that's not it. Dude, that's not a donut shape. This part is. This is not.
Well, hold on. Let me go
Yeah,
finger up there.
Go stick your fingers.
Go see. Go see. Go see. Go see. But it's got the thing for the donut. That's why. That's what I'm saying, bud.
No. The header does.
Yeah, exactly.
But the
And
downpipe doesn't. Stick your fingers on the
I
down.
know it doesn't, but it sits on the flange.
Okay, so just...
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then crank the bejesus.
Okay.
Crank the bejesus.
Okay. Yes, sir, master.
Really? Oh my god. This is bad.
It's because it's almost Christmas, dude. I'm over these holidays.
My wallet is.
I bet.
Oh, I gotta put you guys' stockings up while you're doing this. See?
What's up?
You broke your condom.
That wasn't me, I promise. Hold on.
Now the car's pregnant. Now we're gonna have a fucking T-Bird light baby.
That's okay. She might be fun.
Ooh.
How do you keep on... There we go.
I'm not good at putting condoms on, obviously. Oh, it's broken. Broken condom. What else is new? I think you and I were both broken condoms.
That's a possibility. That is a huge possibility.
Your mom said you should run swallowed, I think.
Okay. Give me a second. I'm gonna grab the sledge.
Yay! Battling it back on. It's so hard to get to see. Good enough. I didn't do anything.
It was right here.
It's in the toolbox.
What's in the toolbox?
On the top. You whore.
What is that? What?
Ooh, look, Christmas stockings.
I called the green one.
I know. On camera, it looked like you were crack your head on that. I was like, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh. Stupid optical illusion. Yeah, so you're going to give it a little bang.
Just a little. See if we can get it
Back over where it needs to go. Ooh, that's promising. Hey, look, we're kind of up there. Now you got to just give it a little tap-a-roo. Make sure it's in the hole, too. Tappity. Tappity.
Get in the hole, Stuart.
Put it in the hole, Stuart.
Watch. Probably want to go like this.
Ooh! You're such a monkey fucking a football. Here, let me see that. Let me see the hammer.
Nope.
I tried.
Yep.
Okay, bang, bang.
Oh shit, bang, bang. Bang, bang. I mean, it's in there. But
Gotta get a nut on it. Just trying to get a nut.
that's all I'm trying to do.
Story of Burnsy's life. Just trying to bust a nut. You ever be in the kitchen with your old lady and she's trying to do the dishes and she's like, babe, I'm just trying to put a load in the dishwasher, and you're like, same. Wah, wah. Sorry, we had to be silly. Everybody.
Always.
Nothing's changed in all these years. Easy there, you monkey.
I'm kind of trying to...
Oh yeah, we're close. Check and see if your seal's seated.
It's actually...
Or is it cocked?
It just should be in there. Because it's not sticking out anywhere.
That's what she said. Alright, well let's get this together and try it. 'Cause this doesn't want to behave. Nothing wants to behave.
Never ever.
Nope.
Ever, ever.
Ever, ever, forever, ever.
Forever, ever, ever.
Exhaust leak solved. We also closed this off as well. We have a little exhaust leak in the crossover, which isn't necessary anymore, especially here in the desert. Got that situation handled. Got our collector handled. So now we just have to set the tow, and John can come home, or come take it home, because the new safety switch is a few weeks out still. So come take it home, enjoy it a little bit, a little Christmas miracle. It's good.